Greetings, fellow Gators! Welcome to the second part of the Project Atlantis, in which I try to design my own 3D printed version of the City of the Ancients. In the previous video, we took a look at the 3D model, and in today's video, we will actually print the entire main body. So, without further ado, I guess, let's go straight into Creo and take a look at what we will print today. Alright, so as you can see, this is what we will do. And that's quite a lot, to be honest. By the time of the recording, I already have everything done, and let me tell you, it was quite time consuming. If I'm not mistaken, it was something about 270 hours of raw printing time. So yeah, quite a lot. Anyway, it also is already kinda heavy. This entire thing is little over 2.5 kilos, so yeah, this is quite a big print. Anyway, let's just take a look at what we will actually print and how everything will fit together. So we will start with the middle part, and the middle part is basically this. So we will go. So as you can see, it's all divided into 3 segments. It's simple. It has to be divided, otherwise it wouldn't even fit on the printing bed. It's so big. So yeah, various locks are designed so that you know how to fit everything together, because it obviously can be fitted only in one correct way. You cannot mismanage. Anyway, then we have our standard 10 by 10 pins, and then we have the bottom. Once again, bottom is divided into 3 parts and inserted to the pins, and then we have those 3 holes which we fill with the connectors. Okay. And that's basically it for now. Then we will take a look at, let's say, this pillar. So we have this base pillar, and once again attach those 10 by 10 pins. Then engine parts. Once again, I would like to remind you that if you want to make the engines to be able to be light up, then the engine part has to be printed with from some kind of transparent material. And here you can attach the LED lights, and here is cable management and stuff like that. Anyway, then we have this piece, and yeah, but we will for now leave this piece out, or you know what, we will not. We will take it as it is. So like this, and yeah, we have another pylon which is basically the same, only this part is different because it has this connector to the second pier. So we will take a look at the one of the 3 big piers, pylons, and we have once again the bottom part with opening for the engines. Once again 10 by 10 pins. The middle piece. Once again pins. And the engines. And then the top part. Like this. Now bear in mind that for the large piers, the middle pieces are always different regarding the top part, because the top parts are also every time different. Okay, and now when we have all the piers in place, we go back to the middle and attach the last part, which is the top here. And the top part also holds all the piers in place. Once again, simply attaching using the pins. And that's basically it. It's not well, any rocket science. It's more like a puzzle. And yes, that is what we will do and how we will connect everything together. Okay, so I guess we can go straight to the printing.
Okay, as you can see, I've already inserted all the pins. So now we will basically just put together the bottom part like this. That, and now we will insert the connector pieces. Okay, and we have the bottom part. We have the bottom part. Now we have the this middle piece, and put it together as well. Okay, like this. And now we'll put the two halves together. Like this. Now we have this bottom piece and this middle piece of the pylon. As you can see, once again, pins are already there, so we simply put them together and push them into place. Okay. And we can now insert them inside. Yeah. So insert it inside. This stairway piece goes to, well, the stairway piece, I guess. So yeah, that's the first pylon inserted. Okay, so now we have this piece, and now we will start to add more. So as you can see, I already attached the two pieces together. So yeah. Just like this. Now we take these pieces. One, two, three. This. And now we will start to place these pieces. So we will start with this one, and this will come here. already starting to have issues with space. Second, so together. Okay. Last but not least. Now this piece. Okay, now we take this one and this piece and simply put the two together like that. And then put the two together. Okay. And we have the engine pods. I will remind you, if you want to use electronics, those have to be from transparent material. Anyway. Simply put them here. We have to do the same for all the pylons. Now I will simply put the pylon on its place. Okay, so the engines are all there. Sorry, I will not turn it around. It's quite heavy already. Now we will take this piece, and it has locks here and the corresponding holes on the other side. So we simply put it together like that. Okay, and now the only this part is actually missing. Okay, now we take the last piece and put them together. Okay, like this. And now we put it in place. But first I will take apart this one. Okay. I will rotate it little. Okay, like that. So, and now we will take the top part. As you can see, I already put it in together, but I think I can vary all slopes, so I don't want to put it out. And now we have to put everything together and push it into place. Okay. Let's say everything is in place. And now we will take these. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so yeah, this is the main build so far, without any buildings or towers, as you can see. But it was very, very long and tedious. Most of the parts are very, very long prints, so that is why it took so long. But I would say it so far looks great, and yeah, it's already quite heavy. This thing is 2.5 kilos already. We will take a look at the bottom as well. Yeah. I cannot even put everything into frame, how big it is. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Atlantis so far, and that kind of concludes today's video. In the future part, or I guess the last part, we will take a look at all the buildings and towers. I'm not sure yet if I will divide it into two parts or just make one part about it. We'll see. It will depend on how long I will actually print it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see each other in the next part. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.